How to hide a story from someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can hide a story from someone on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, launch the Instagram application on your device and log into your account if it is necessary. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, now tap on the three-line icon at the top right. So here, scroll down. Under Who Can See Your Content section, tap on Hide Story in Live. Once you're here, again tap Hide Story in Live From. Now use the search bar or scroll to find the person that you want to hide your story from. Tap on the tick mark or the tick box next to their name to select them. A check mark will appear as in this interface. Once done, tap on the Done from the top right. And now you can post a story in your account, and when you post it, it will be hidden from the persons that you have selected. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.